Hi! So today I'll be showing you U-ukilop's component searcher. Now, U-ukilop's component searcher can search both Flux nodes as well as regular components. Let's go over here so we have a bit more space. And I'll open up my dashboard. We'll go into U-ukilop's public folder from wherever you have it saved. And then the last thing currently saved in there is U-ukilop's component flux searcher, which is right there. So we double tap that, and it'll spawn up this neat menu with a really neat logo on the back. Now, in here, we can search for components that we know exist. So, for example, let's say we want a render something to do with render. Like, we don't exactly know what it's called. It's probably has render in its name. And this will actually show us everything that has render in its name. So, oh yeah, avatar render settings. There it is. And with this, you can actually set the far and near clipping of your avatar. Now, this also supports Flux nodes. However, as you currently see, it says component searcher. But if we click up here, it still says component searcher, but purple. So now, if we search for render again, it'll actually instead show us every Flux node that contains the word render. So now, in runtime execution nodes rendering, we have bake reflection probe, bake reflection probes, flash highlight hierarchy, render to asset, texture asset, and sample color, which are all in rendering, which is why I found all of those. Now, if we use our tool here, and we, for example, go to the browse nodes section, and we follow from nodes, not from runtimes, you don't have to find that folder, just from nodes. And then we go to rendering, which is down here. You'll see that this exactly matches bake reflection probe, probes, hierarchy, texture asset, and sample color X. So you can easily find stuff in here. Yeah, and that is pretty much it. There seems to be a favorite functionality that Yuki is planning on adding or may have only partially implemented. Currently, this does not seem to work. Same for the component searcher in orange here, where there's an attach to. In my testing, this has also not worked, which I assume would just attach it when you double-click it. However, for now, this covers the component searcher, and if Yuki makes an update to it, I will make a new video on it. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any suggestions in the comments. Like the video if you liked it. Bye!